Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students of 10th class, since we are dealing with the chapter the print culture, we have read the maximum portion of this unit, this lesson. Today we will discuss that during 18th century, the European thought that print culture would bring enlightenment and will end despotism. This was the ideology of this European people regarding the print culture. Some people of Europe thought that print culture would bring enlightenment and will end despotism because of different facts. The facts which were behind this ideology were that according to them, the cost of books was reduced, the time and labor required to produce each book came down, and multiple copies began to be produced with greater ease. As a result, books reached out to an ever growing leadership. It is a real fact that machinery is our each and every work. Sam did and Sam happened in Europe during the 18th century when the press came into existence. A large quantity of books was published in a less time, and people easily got books and used them as their likes. Similarly, literacy rate went up in almost all countries of the world because of printing material, because of printed books. Schools were set up even in villages, carrying literacy to peasants and artisans who were away from the education. The people were ignorant due to underdevelopment of the rural areas. There were no schools, but due to the due to printing press, due to print culture, the education spread in every nook and corner of the states, the countries, whether they were rural areas or the urban areas. Similarly, the periodical press developed. Newspapers and journals carried information about war and trade, as well as news of developments in other places. It became very easy for the people to get information, to get education for their children, for them, and this really got the enlightenment. Similarly, social reformers like Louis Substein, Marquier, Martin Luther, and other great personalities took the advantage of print culture and spread their views to the different places, to the distant places, wherever they reached to, and they fulfilled the needs of the printed material of the people. And this progress made the world aware regarding the printing material, regarding the printed books, the journals, the pamphlets, the newspapers, and in real sense, and this printed material got boost in the whole process of education, and the people got related with the printed material and took the advantage and became aware of the facts of the world. And in this way the printed culture, the print culture really got the enlightenment not only in Europe but the whole world. So dear students, this was our today's topic. Let's conclude today, and we'll read further, learn further inshallah tomorrow. Thank you very much.